Which type of blood corpuscles are larger in size, contain a distinct nucleus, and are colorless? White blood corpuscles, leukocytes, are larger than red blood cells, possess a distinct nucleus, and lack hemoglobin, making them colorless. They play a vital role in the body's immune system by defending against pathogens and foreign substances. What role does blood tissue play in the intestine? Blood serves as a transport medium in the digestive system, picking up nutrients like glucose and amino acids from the intestinal walls. These nutrients are then distributed through the circulatory system to all cells in the body for metabolism. What is the process called when a patient's blood is purified by an artificial kidney? Hemodialysis is a medical procedure that uses an artificial kidney machine to filter waste products and excess water from the blood when the natural kidneys are failing. It utilizes the principle of diffusion across a semi-permeable membrane to maintain the body's chemical balance. Hemolysis is the process of red blood cell destruction. Hemostasis is the physiological process that stops bleeding at the site of an injury. Hemopoiesis is the biological process by which the body produces new blood cells. What is one function of the kidney related to blood components? The kidneys perform selective reabsorption in the proximal convoluted tubule to retain essential substances like glucose, amino acids, and ions from the filtrate back into the blood. This process ensures that vital nutrients are not lost in the urine during the filtration of metabolic wastes. What is blood considered in the human body regarding circulation? Blood is a fluid connective tissue that transports oxygen, nutrients, and hormones to various parts of the body. It acts as the primary vehicle for internal transport, maintaining homeostasis across all organ systems. Which system includes the heart and blood? The circulatory system, also known as the cardiovascular system, consists of the heart, blood vessels, and blood to transport oxygen and nutrients to cells. The heart acts as a pump to circulate blood throughout the entire body to maintain homeostasis. The nervous system consists of the brain, spinal cord, and nerves to coordinate body actions and sensory information. The skeletal system provides the structural framework of the body using bones and cartilage. The muscular system is responsible for movement and posture through the contraction of muscle fibers. Where are red blood corpuscles, RBCs, produced? Erythropoiesis, the production of red blood cells, occurs primarily in the red bone marrow of flat bones like the sternum and pelvis. This process is regulated by the hormone erythropoietin, which is released by the kidneys to maintain oxygen levels. The heart is a muscular pump responsible for circulating blood, not for the synthesis of blood cells. The liver primarily filters blood and produces bile, though it serves as a site for RBC production only during fetal development. The spleen acts as a filter for old RBCs and a reservoir for blood, but it does not produce new red blood cells in adults. What is the shape of RBC in human blood? Human red blood cells, RBCs, are biconcave discs, which increases the surface area for efficient gas exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide. This unique shape also allows them to be flexible enough to squeeze through narrow capillaries. Which fact surprised you the most? Comment below and subscribe to Goshen for more.